So AJ from Instagram asked about how to make your computer run a little bit smoother. I will do the best I can to do this in 60 seconds, but I don't think I can. But let me show you. On Insta, YouTube, Facebook, those commands will be in the comment sections. For TikTok, I don't have enough room. Hopefully you can read them. Pause to read to do what you need to do. There's a search box here. You're going to type in command. See how it's come up as command prompt. So CMD. And then from command prompt, you're going to do a right click, run as administrator, and a black box is going to pop up. Click yes. If you're able to copy and paste from what I've put into the comments, great. If not, you'll have to type each of these commands individually. But here's what you do. You just take what is listed below, and if you're doing copy paste, once you copy it, you go into this black box and you just hold the control key down and press V, and it will copy the commands into the black box and run them for you. This may take a while, so don't be surprised. And when it's done doing everything, it will automatically reboot your computer and do the rest of the commands that need to be done during the startup process. So this will take a while. Hopefully this will help you. But it's not a guarantee. There could be other issues going on. Your hard drive might need to be changed out. You might need more RAM, so on and so forth. But hopefully this will help you out. And like I said, this process does take a while, especially on the restart, and it's doing the futility dirty set. That's where it's checking your hard drive for bad sectors and reporting those accordingly. If it does find them when your computer does boot up, you can look in your File Explorer, which is down here. And then you can look in your C drive and you will see if there are any bad sectors, because you'll have the folders called found dot, and it'll be like 001, 002. That's where it found bad sectors and tried to recover them. So again, hope that helps. It is a longer video. I apologize for that. But you just let it run and do its thing. And like I said, after that, if it doesn't improve it, you've probably got a component that needs to be either updated with a newer driver, or it's worn out and needs to be replaced. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, follow, subscribe, and all that stuff. And there is a link in the bio to the website, and in that there's items for sale, so you can, if you want to leave a gift, you can certainly do that. You have a great day.